what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I've got a sort of rider day, fun day at Red Star Raceway coming up in May, and first time I'm going to be taking this bike around the track. I'm so excited for that. I honestly cannot wait. But before I do, I thought let me get some protection for the engine, so engine guards and covers. When I was scrolling through AliExpress for the exhaust, I came across these and I thought let me buy them and have a look and see how they are. Another mate of mine, Michael, puts on his 1200 RS the same ones, and they're actually very good, or they seem very good, very good quality. So I've gone and bought the same ones he bought. Let's unbox and have a look. Let's open up and have a look what's inside. There's the one casing with bolts. There's another casing with bolts. So this is clutch cover. That's the timing chain cover. Then this one we've obviously got the stator cover, which is that side with its bolts. And then some instructions. Okay, so they've got the torque specs and they've got the pattern. Again, just ignore that over there. I'm quite impressed with the build quality of these things. Nice and solid. And even the manual, the instructions, they are very clear, well worded. So just ignore this part. Like I said, the instructions are very good, well worded. It's probably just a photocopy of the original. Okay, I think I'm going to start with a small cover. So if I read the instructions here, it says remove bolts 4, 3, 2, 1, which is 4, 3, 2, and 1. In that order, put the secondary cover over and then tighten the bolts 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10 Newton meters. So I think let's start with that one being the smallest. Okay, I've got my 8mm socket. Bolt number 4 is this one over here. Okay, there we go, those are out. Before I put the new ones in, I'm going to give this a wipe, a quick wipe, and grab some thread locker. Perfect. Then just in reverse order, got to put these back in 1, 2, 3, 4. Add a bit of thread locker. Okay, They're not all the same bolts. Checking the instructions now, there are different lengths. There is a 6x40, 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 6x50 for that side. So I think I grabbed a 6x50 because this one bottomed out. Read the instructions, Jared. Okay. There's a shorter one. Some thread locker. I just noticed something. I hope I'm going to get this one on with this cover in the way. I will. Okay. I thought I'm going to have to take this one off again to get this one on, but luckily not. That one's done. Let's do the next one. First cover on. I think it looks quite nice. Same thing on this one. There's a pattern. So it's 4, 3, 2 looks to be that one there, and then 1 looks to be that one there. So remove 4, 3, 2, 1, put it back, tighten 1, 2, 3, 4. I think for this I'm going to use the longer bar. Next cover. Okay, now this is a 40mm, that's a 40mm, that's a 50mm, that's a 50mm. So first one to go in is a 50mm. Second to go in is also a 50mm. Those two are the only 50mm. Let's torque them up. Not that one. It's this one up here. Then this one. That's this side done. Let's move across that side. There we go. The second cover's on. Actually looks quite nice. I do love this color of the Triumph engine covers. But yeah, more about the protection than anything else. Okay, this one looks to be 1, 2 being the top one, 3 being this one over here, and 4 being that one over there. So take out 4, 3, 2, 1, and then replace 1, 2, 3, 4, and torque. This cover has got a little bit of a mark here, not too bad. So hopefully we can prevent it getting any further if this bike ever goes down. Hopefully it never gets there. These are all 40mm screws. I have no 50mm left, but just making sure. And that is done. Let me show you guys what it looks like. And we have got this one on. So much happier. Yay! These guards look sick. I'm very, very impressed with them. I don't think they're made of the same material as the originals are. Maybe they are, but I think if something had to happen and the bike had to go down, they would at least do some form of protection or protect the cases from being scratched. Hopefully it never gets to that. Everything fitted like a glove. The screws perfect. Instructions were phenomenal. Like I said, I think there was a photocopy of the original. But yeah, like I say, fitment went very, very well. Took me about half an hour worth of work to fit all of them, and yeah, like I say, very happy with how it's turned out. I think for what I paid on these guards, I'm very, very impressed with their quality. I'm very excited for the fun day coming up. I think it's going to be awesome to take this bike around the track with the power it has and with all the technology. I've never ridden a bike with this much technology, so very, very excited. I'd love to know your guys' thoughts on how the project's turned out. What would you guys have done differently to this bike? Thank you so much for watching the video all the way to the end. Nice and short one today. If you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe and comment. Until the next video.